Hello, Helene Shephard. Welcome to residential living, Cabanda Rosewood style. You have a choice of 5 units where you can come home, be in charge and live a whole lot more and do a whole lot less. Each unit presents with solar, quality fittings and a lifestyle where you get to choose how it all happens. I welcome you to come and enjoy all of the units we're presenting and enjoy. If you are 65 and ready to make a move where you are in charge and you have the opportunity to segue into assisted living and beyond, Cabanda Rosewood offers you so many opportunities. Right here, right now, you get to choose from 5 beautiful units for your beginning of the next step of your life. I welcome your call so I can teach you everything there is to know about how this all unfolds just for you. Helene Shephard, First National.